Hello friends. In this video I will show you how to download unlimited logo templates for Premiere Pro. Every professional YouTube video starts with a stylish logo reveal. Needless to say, it's an important part of branding your videos and channel. Today, we'll help you find the perfect logo animation for your videos. In this video, we are show unlimited Premiere Pro logo animation templates you can use to easily create a professional-looking logo reveal scene for your videos. The logo reveals you use in your videos, whether it's on YouTube or Instagram, is what makes your brand memorable. That's why every YouTube creator has a unique logo reveal of their own. Creating a great logo reveal animation takes a lot of work and knowledge in Premiere Pro. But, with the help of these pre-made templates, you won't have to do any of the work. Just download the template, edit it in Premiere Pro, and export. On screen right now is a website called aedownload.com. aedownload.com provides free unlimited logo reveal templates, so make sure you're clear about